Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. So, I want to give you an update on how my seed saving project is going for the Heirloom open pollinated varieties. We are in November, and it is the 18th of November. So, we're in the one greenhouse here. This one here is heated. This is the bed house. I still have some celotias that I am collecting seeds off of. And this one here, I have some other ones too. The ones outside, we started getting frost, so did have to cut them before they got to produce seeds. So I'm growing in Pennsylvania in zone 5B. So for my seed saving, I'm going to have to start that in probably like early August to make sure that I get my seeds before a frost comes. So you can see this bed here has been cut pretty hard, and the ones with the tags on them still saving seeds from. We have to try and figure out how to get those raspberry bushes out from behind the greenhouse back there. They came up actually behind the bed, and they grew up from there, so we have to try and figure out how to get them out of there, how to keep them from coming back. But I'm going to have to start saving my seeds a lot earlier for the ones outside. My straw flowers here, these have made it through multiple frosts and freezes, and they are still actually going. Now, we had frost and freeze warnings coming. You can see it did damage some of these, but some of these it never even bothered them. So my seed saving project for this one here, for the straw flowers, I didn't get to collect, I only got to collect one flower that had the seeds matured in it. The rest of them, we had to cut them because we didn't want to lose them. We thought that it was actually going to freeze, and then it turned out to not have hurt anything, but we had already cut them off. So sometimes that's what happens when they're crawling for frost and freezes. You don't know when you cut the stuff, and then it could have survived through it, but that's something that you never know. So I had made the call to go ahead and cut them, and then found out I could have left them on. But you can see here we still have straw flower blooms coming here, and we've had temperatures down in the 20s, and these are still going. And you can see this is all frost and freeze damage here, and that over there is frost and freeze damage. But you can see it hit like some of them, and then others it didn't hit at all. So I did get to save seeds off of my Gumfrinas. I got to save quite a bit of seeds off of those. And I did get to save the celosia seeds out of the greenhouse for the ones that were in the heated greenhouse. So I do have those, and I collected the seeds off of them. We did get to save some dahlia seeds. Now those, I'm not sure if those were a hybrid or not, so it's going to be interesting to plant those. I was trying to research some of the varieties, and I couldn't find any information out if they were hybrids or heirlooms or open pollinated, so that's going to be interesting there to see what they turn out to be. And we still have the Rosa Bianca eggplants going in the heated greenhouse here, and that is an heirloom open pollinated variety. I'm not sure if I'm going to save seeds from that yet. I still have a lot of seeds of that left, but most of these celosias here are pretty much done. I am keeping the soil drier because of how cold it's been out. Even though this is heated, what can happen is if you get your soil too wet, you can actually wind up damaging the roots of your plants. So we are keeping this drier so that we don't have an excess moisture and we don't damage the roots of them. But I'm still waiting for the ones with the blue tags to get the seeds, so I can get the seeds off of them. No, that one back there, I'm watching that one. So The sweet potatoes in here are still going. Unfortunately, the sweet potatoes in the second greenhouse, the wooden door on there, we couldn't get it shut, and they wound up freezing. It got too cold in there. So I'm still waiting for that celosia back there to get seeds from. But these here are still going. I think my dad said something about taking them out in December. But looking at the bags themselves, they look kind of like they would have the sweet potatoes already formed in them. And then we have our status over here. And then our tomato plant is back there. And we've had the light on for that. So I'm not sure yet what we're going to do with the greenhouses. I'm waiting for the rest of the seeds to mature on my celosia. And then this over here, this stuff is ready to harvest. But I'm debating if I want to just clean the greenhouse all out and start fresh, or exactly what I want to do with it. So we got Dusty Miller seeds back here. Those are Dusty Miller seed pods. I'll have to show you how to collect the seeds from them then. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button to tell us I put a new video on. Thank yous for watching. Hope you have a nice day. Bye.